Everybody walk down towards the stage.
Chicken steak.
Thanks. Right, Rachel, we've got a little surprise coming this way. It's not Paul's penis, it's Right, put your hands together, everybody, for our big friend here, the Illusionist! Come on, everybody! Put your hands together!
And as it's the law, I have to attach it. So, give her the mic. If the ones that drop on the floor, that's fine. No, that's fine. I'm not going to get you to do it if you want me to imagine. If you reach, you can have only one card. Anyone. And sight. Should we just like there, or should we?
We need a mic. You can't hear it.
You have to take it off the thing. Take it off the stand. Take it off the stand.
I'm not going to be able to hold it.
Hello.
No, that's the magic pen. Do you know why it's magic? Should I show you? It is really good. I'll tell you what we're going to do. Make sure that everyone sees that card. And I want you to say stop. Okay, when you have the urge to say stop. Stop. Just put your card back. Now, I'm not going to find your card. My assistant is going to find your card. My assistant is 11 inches long. He's extremely hairy. And he's so good I've named him. Do you want to meet him? Yeah, his name's Rocky. Hold on to those a second. Rocky, come here. Be careful, mate. This is Rocky. He's sleeping. Let me wake him up. There he is. This is Rocky. He loves to eat pocket fluff. Loves to eat pocket fluff. Do you want to eat pocket fluff? Hold your hand. See? Num num num. He loves that. Hold out some more. There you go. See? Rocky! Sorry, he's very well trained. He follows my finger everywhere it goes. Everywhere it goes. Loves it when I do that. I don't know why. Loves it. I can hypnotise him. Rocky look into my eyes, not around the eyes. Under, completely hypnotised. Look, he feels nothing. Look. He does impressions. The first one's a balloon animal. He does eyebrows, he does a beard, he does a hat, he does Madonna. One of my favourites is a Red Indian. Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson now. Too soon. Let me bring him round. Oh, wrong way. Now you signed a card for me, yeah? Can you spread out your cards? Face down, that's it. And what Rocky's going to do, he's going to pick up on your set. Okay, he's going to find out where you've been, what you've been up to. Yeah, none of which I'll repeat for everybody. It's alright, you've been a busy girl. Now we're going to go through and hopefully find one card. One card, hopefully this one, being your signed for... That's not your card. Okay, we're going to try it again. Come on, boy. Right, we're going to find one card. One card being... Okay, I know what's happened. I'll tell you what. Rocky, sleep. Now, do you know rock, paper, scissors? Yeah, show me rock. Show me rock. Show me paper. Show me scissors. Excellent, keep scissors, because while it's like this, we can get away with anything. Look, nothing. What I want you to do is I want you to reach inside. Reach inside. Why is he looking at back? Reach inside. Is there anything card-like inside? Grab hold of it. Pull it out. There's one card and one card only. Open up, show everybody. So if you're not going to clap for me, let's clap for Rocky. Anyways, he does one more trick. He does play dead. So he loves that. Loves it. Now, you get to keep keep that one because I know where it's been. Now, I feel a little bit warmed up, a little bit more relaxed, but I want to talk to you about my balls. My balls are quite big, they're lovely to feel, and they're quite squidgy. Do you want to see them? Do you want to come around the back? No, they're like these. They're like little clenched noses. Give it a squeak. There's like a little squeaker inside the... No, it's like a... There you go, give it... There's like a little squeaker inside the... Sorry, do you want one of those? Wait now, I'll tell you what, give it a go. Give it a go with it. See, that's what you call a shit trick. It's true. But look, did you notice the button? When you press the button, you get 2. It's quite handy. Now, do you want number 1 or number 2? Number 2. Hold in your hand. Hold on to number 2 nice and tight. Turn your hand over and raise it up. I'm going to take